Your phones are really good. Film yourself with your phone. Natural daylight. No thank you. I don't want to start this full on glam. I don't want to start this with like all kinds of makeup on. This is me and I want this to be authentic, and I want to, you know, later on look at this and have a good laugh. I guess we'll have to learn this a little bit later together. First thing I had to think about was the camera, right? So I tried the phone, the selfie stick setup there, and it wouldn't work. It's called noise in photography. Grainy looking, the quality is bad. It didn't look good. Grainy, pixelated imagery. Cameras I already had, Canon's 20D, Canon 40D. Crazy to a lot of people. My passion is photography, to pass the time, to relax. I don't mind investing in photography, but I won't just go ahead and buy a video camera just YouTube. The thing though is that I was due to upgrade anyway, but I'm very faithful to Canon and I love to stick with Canon for a little bit. I like to have the classics, build my collection. So I had just gotten a 40D, it's an old backup camera from someone that I know. The problem with that was that I don't believe that it films. I needed something that would film. If I can't film myself, I'm not gonna do like stop motion, and then I'm not gonna do stop motion. It's not happening. So camera. I thought maybe I could use my phone. My screen was kind of distracting. But as a camera lover and as a photography lover, I kind of justified buying a professional camera. Second thing, lighting. I wasn't in a hurry. See, that's the thing when you're trying to buy something that is expensive. So here in Quebec we have Kijiji and it was really useful, and since I was in a hurry I just decided let's just try to make an offer to someone for a little bit less than what they were asking for. It's something that I encourage people to do, although be respectful. Don't offer something too ridiculous. I stumbled across this ad for soft boxes, and that was something that I would see a lot of people talk about online. So I have two of them. Found these lights and they were brand new. My mentality when it comes to buying something used, you are never in a hurry. If this person doesn't want to let you negotiate with them, wait for the next one or for the next opportunity. I think that when you're trying to get rid of something on those sites, you understand that, you know, you might lose a little bit. You could do the same for a camera. The only thing that I don't like about having like a used camera, something fishy might have happened to the camera, or you're not a professional, you can't tell. I'm not a professional, so sometimes I can't tell. When I do something, I like it to be well done. The sound quality. I ended up going with Sennheiser. Anyways, it's very hard to do these videos. I'm rambling a lot. Oh God, I'm so sorry. I'm like, note to self, external mic have to be turned on. I didn't know. Trying to deal with my face right now and I am having trouble. It's kind of loud, like I'm not even well set up right. It's not the most flattering angle, and it's definitely something that I would advise people to think about. Having a flattering angle always makes you feel better, and I'm gonna be posting this video. If you see this, it's because I posted it. I tried a bunch of ways. Lighting, really harsh shadow. Pretty sure it's your fault though. Is there a difference? The last thing that I got for my little setup here in my little collection was kind of spots. To be quite honest, you can get them at the hardware store. I'm sure that you will pay less than what I've paid for them. Anything photography, you know what, I can justify photography, but not necessarily YouTube. It'd be a tad too far for me because I'm not, I mean, not that I'm not into it, I'm into it. Trust me, I'm into it. I'm into YouTube. It's just that right now, since I'm starting and I don't know what to expect from this whole journey, I don't want to invest in equipment that I might not need, especially at full price. If it's a reasonable used price, then yes, it's interesting to me. But if it's something that I need to buy new, then it has to be for photography. The lens is very precious to me. I love my lenses. It's like an addiction. It's something photographers know. When you start, you don't stop, or someone has to stop you, because honestly, it is a problem. But anyway, the one that I chose to film with today is the 50mm. Very cheap lens. Cheap for a lens. But photography costs money, so you know, $100 is cheap for a lens. So this is a 50, 1.8. It's nice for portraits. It's nice for just everyday. or maybe in the same position. What? I'm not gonna answer that. It's not my house. So I was saying, don't spend a lot of money. Don't over invest just in general with imagery. I think that you still need to invest a little bit just because the big YouTubers they're setting the standards for the newcomer. So I don't want to put something out there that's that I wouldn't watch myself because the quality is bugging me. If I'm not proud of the video or if I'm not proud of the content that I put out there, how can I expect people to like watching it? That's just my reasoning right now. The background. Now I'm gonna have the hiccups, seriously? Like the struggle is real. When you're trying to film, everything goes wrong. Start this again. For the background, respect the budget. You have to know when to stop investing in something that you don't know if it's gonna work. I didn't want to get the background, the big bold background colors, didn't want to commit. You get only one mood. Maybe one day we'll see, but I don't think I'm gonna purchase that just for now, just because I want to keep it very simple. The other challenging thing, and I'm not gonna lie, is that it's yourself. We're criticized, always something wrong. There's always something that you can't control. And I think the situation's never gonna be perfect. I'm never gonna be perfect. You know, it's something that we all have in common is that we are not perfect. And we must be proud of who we are, and we must love ourselves. And I can never stress that enough, is that you have to love yourself and you have to have self-worth. Also, confidence comes with time, you know, it comes with experience. For the first couple of tries at filming, I was trying to make up this personality, this person that was like really not me. And I think that was a problem. Everybody, in their own opinion, everybody has something wrong with them. What? Lost track. What is it that people want to see nowadays? Look into the camera, kind of like all be dramatic. You should love yourself. Yes, of course you should love yourself. And then it's never going to be the right time to film because skin imperfection. No, let's just not stop at that. And always something that you don't like about yourself, that's what you get. It's me, natural or almost natural. It's not a simple journey, you guys. It's not a simple journey, and I'm still learning. We'll try it out together. We'll try to fix my face at some point. It's going to be an experiment for me. It's going to be an experiment for you. I want this to be a YouTube channel, like to the true sense of the word. Just let me know in the comments below. What is it that you want to know? The questions, the things that I didn't cover, didn't plan anything. Sure, it shows. I have to figure this out, guys. If you have any recommendations, just let me know in the comments. Welcome to my world and welcome to you guys. Subscribe and enjoy the ride. I'm gonna cringe when I see this. If I make it, I'll make a cringe video about my first video.